In this video, I will be looking at how to create individual Amazon product listing one by one. Create product that end up there the Amazon catalog one at a time. Go to the inventory at the product. You should then click on adding a product not sell on Amazon. The first step is to select a category. You will be then be taken for a series of pages where you can enter the product details. You can choose between an advanced and a basic view, and at the top it will show you the pages which contain the compulsive information. So here we can see and read the compulsory field for this product. And it also contains the compulsory field on offer to map, the vital information including item name, the product ID, which and you also need to select a product ID. For example, a barcode on and a brand name you may find if the brand name is not already that already Amazon Prime registry has not been registered on Amazon. You will not be able to list the product. You will have to register the brand first. Further down this page, on the first page of vital information page, you will enter items like color and the color map and size. You try and fill in as many of these attributes as possible, because the more information you give your customer, the more likely they will be able to make a purchase. If you are creating a variation, you need to select the variation theme. Is generally easy to create the variation via a upload file. So I will not go into the details here. For the offer, you need to set yourself SKU. This is the SKU which will appear on your inventory detail here on the SKU. You also need a price and quantity. If you set a quantity of greater than 0, you can set a handling time. If there are going to be a delay in dispatching your item, the product test code can be set here. There is a list of test code available. And if you go to the inventory setting, test setting, you will be able to see the list of valid test codes for your product. Entering the test code is important if you are a business seller. I need to provide VAT invoices for your customers. This is where the merchant shipping group is set. This defines whether the product can be sold and what the shipping rates are. And finally, here at the bottom, you choose the fulfillment option, whether you want to fulfill the product yourself or that the Amazon fulfillment its compliance. Details are for if the product contains hazardous items like batteries or other chemical. Under the image term, you can upload up to the 9 images. The first image should be the hero or the main image for the product. This is the image which will appear in the search result, and so it is important to have a very clear image on a white background, which encourage customer to buy this item before adding images. You should consult the Amazon image guideline and description tab. You can have a product description and up to 5 key features. The description can be HTML, and you can also add a legal disclaimer. For example, if the term and condition with the sale of your product, the keyword servers for the additional keywords, which for some reason you have not been able to get into your product description, there was no need to put commas in between different keywords. Finally, and the more details has information which goes into the technical details on the product listing page. You should try and fill as many of these attributes as possible because they are indexed by search. Once you finish your editing item, you can click save and finish. Your item should appear under your interest free tab within 15 or so 15 minutes.